Today we're talking about lighting, specifically wafer lights. So what is a wafer light? A wafer light is a really thin LED light fixture that doesn't have a traditional can like you would a recessed can light. Instead, it comes with a driver and a gasket, but they're LED, so you don't have a can, you don't have a bulb. They're really nice, thin lights. So these wafers in particular are made by Juno. We really like these. They have 5 color temperatures that you can choose between and pre-select. They're dimmable, they're wet location rated, and also they're rated for about 50,000 hours. So there's a couple real advantages to these wafer lights. One being that they can mount over just about anything, any style of joist. So we're going to show you how easily these can be mounted and then pulled back down. Just don't get your hands caught in there because they're kind of like a mouse trap. But see how thin they are? And we actually have a doubled up joist here. We had to sister this, that it still fit flush right over top. And then to disconnect it, you would pull it apart. And then if you needed to change the color temperature, you could reach up and scroll through and find the one that you want. And then to put them back, just get the clamps back up and you're good. The other reason we really choose these over traditional can lights, besides being able to mount anywhere, is that we can actually mount our box ahead of time, just really close. You have a pretty good amount of play here between the box and the light of where we want them all, and then we can actually hang all of our drywall and take a laser level, shoot a line, and then they're all perfect in line. We're not trying to measure, cut around each can. More work for our drywall guys. This is just really accurate and precise way to do it, so we really like how these turn out. Pro tip, if you land on a 3.5-inch truss, sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to get them in there. We found the easiest way is usually to drill a spade bit a couple times just on the far edge, just to barely notch that out, and then we can squeeze the wafer in, no problem.